How to scan a QR code on your iPhone. So everyone knows how to scan a QR code when you're using your camera. You do it with menus, Venmo, payment options, and just to get basic information through the QR code. But if you wanted to scan a QR code through your phone, it's really easy to do. So we're just going to go to Safari. So I have a QR code here. There's two ways you can do this. Hopefully you can click and hold, and that QR code is going to bring you to the site that it is linked to. But if it doesn't, what we can do is come out of here and we can actually take a snapshot. So go ahead and take a screenshot. So we're going to do this, and I'm just going to save this to my photos, and then we'll come out of here, go to my photos, and we will go to that code. So from here, what you can do is on my phone, what you can do is there's a tiny black square at the bottom right hand corner right above the trash can. Go ahead and click that, and it's going to identify all the text in my picture. And what we can do is go ahead and click and hold the QR code itself, and then it's going to ask us to open this up in a new tab. I have mine set for Chrome, so we can go ahead and do that. And then it's going to bring you to that code. So it's really easy to do, very simple. What we can do is come out of here, go back to our photos, and go back to that same picture, and go ahead and click and hold once more, and it will bring you to that page that it was designated to. It's really simple to do. Just make sure you take a screenshot of your QR code that you're trying to scan, and you'll be able to go and visit that site.